Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance to MT5. First, understand that a direct connection between Binance and MetaTrader 5 isn't natively supported. You'll need an intermediary solution. This usually involves using a third-party broker or a specialized bridge service that supports both cryptocurrency trading and the MT5 platform. This method allows you to execute trades from your Binance account through the MT5 interface. A bridge broker essentially acts as a crucial link. They connect your Binance account, or at least your crypto assets, to the MetaTrader 5 platform. These brokers provide the necessary infrastructure, including liquidity and order execution, allowing you to trade cryptocurrencies within the familiar MT5 environment. It's vital to select a broker that is well-regulated and has a strong reputation for security and reliability. To set this up first, you'll need to open an account with a MetaTrader 5 broker that specifically supports cryptocurrency trading. Once your account is active, you'll fund it. This might involve transferring funds from your Binance account or another source. Finally, you'll connect your new broker account to the MT5 platform, allowing you to access and trade the available crypto pairs directly from MetaTrader 5. When choosing a broker, always verify their fees, spreads, and withdrawal policies to avoid unexpected costs. Also, be aware of the inherent risks involved with using any third-party service for your trading. Always prioritize security and due diligence. And hey, while you're optimizing your trading setup, why not optimize your car's scent too? Life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.